See the dragon fruit shake in full display. We're gonna devour that. Very, very sweet. Got my margarita pizza here. I'm gonna keep it simple. Nice and simple margarita, no meat. We don't want no stomach issues on the way, like I said. So yeah, right with tap in. Yeah man, that was some amazing pizza. I really enjoyed that. It was freshly made, even the dough was fresh. Definitely like, taste the difference. Probably one of the best pizzas I've had out here in Thailand. Yeah man, thank you. Remember this shop next to Pattaya Market. And come back next time. You feel me? So right now we're just out here, finished eating. About to link up with my friend, say my last goodbyes to her. And yeah man, just out here. See what's going on. People in Songkran was trying to get me wet, but I told them I got heavy bags, allow me. They were like, alright cool, I allow you. So I'm dry for now, feel me? Very hectic, a lot of stuff going on, This is what you call content scraping. When it's your last day, make sure you get as much content as possible. Hello hey. Hello everybody. Say hello to my camera. This is the homie gift from Thailand, Pattaya. He's part of the gang now. Yes. Welcome. Welcome. Make sure you take care of my friend. Take good care of me.
Yeah.
Big shout out to you.
I want to see you. Come here. Come see me.
I will be back. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll be back. In Thailand, my name's something long.
Something wrong?
Something long. That's my name.
God have mercy upon us.
In Thailand. Now we just here to be chilling, kicking back. See this girl here, she playing FIFA. Where you see a girl play FIFA?
Liverpool.
You like Liverpool?
Yup.
Wow, which player you like from Liverpool? You scared now? I message you, I FaceTime you. You know me, I don't go nowhere. As well, I just meet her. Very nice girl as well.
Bye,
cool.
Take care.
Yeah, I'll put your Instagram as well. You know, people will follow you. She's the cool girl playing FIFA. So next time I come, me and you play FIFA, PlayStation 5.
We do.
You know, so yeah, big shout out to you guys. I'm gonna head off now, meet tomorrow. And yeah, man, the night continues. Just pulled up with a mixed suit, so the cow. Having me here, Super Mango Sunday. If you're out here, you should try one of these. Amazing, Super Mango Sunday. Absolutely madness out there. Mara pulled up and he's absolutely wet. Look at him. The guy was shook, eyes stay dry. Totally dry. That's because I be tiptoeing in my Jordan. That's why. Yeah, this is what it is. Nice going, amazing. Buckets upon buckets. See that? Buckets upon buckets. Also one of the girls out there just throwing buckets relentlessly. Absolute madness out there. This guy out there is wet. Still got the guns and that. I thought Songkran was for one day, but apparently it's like a 1 week festival of just pure water and, you know what I mean, madness. But yeah, tap in. Absolute madness going on. Absolute madness going on. don't want to drive for some reason. Oh, mad. Nope. A little she-devil there in the green top. She's not even messing around. Got a cycling as well.
I was just trying to move the thing. It wasn't open.
She went in there still. Man is bamboozled. Man is shocked. You never know what happened. Man never know what happened. Bamboozled. I'm laying low. I'm laying low. You guys got buckets on buckets. I ain't trying to fuck with no one that's got buckets on buckets. They can reload instantly on that water. I best disperse them. Let's see, this guy's triple wet. 4-4 on that truck to see. Big shout to YM. Mad, 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 mad. It's raining on them. Mad, 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 mad. Good thing. Oh, shit. Anytime you see one of them trucks, disperse the premises. And the thing is going jammed up, bro. Oh my days.
I just saw you like shit. Hey,
Crazy, crazy.
They were ready for that. Oh man.
Trying to stay dry, especially since I got a whole bunch of stuff from my mum, a whole bag full. I ain't trying to get that messed up here with the water. Let's see, I'm back outside. No, the mission right now is to come out of here dry. I'm not trying to get wet with this Songkran. I'm trying to ran. You feel me?
You think you're gonna walk out dry, yeah?
I'm gonna survive dry, yes. I'm gonna leave out here dry. So far I've been dry, look. People just wetting each other and whatnot. But I'm gonna come out of here dry, watch. I've got a bag full of my mum's stuff, gifts and stuff, so you know what I mean? I'm not trying to get wet and have my mum's gifts ruined. You feel me? Are you Michael Jackson? So yeah, man, let me go outside for a second. While the cat's going. For another 6 minutes. Great. Guys are great. She survived, she's dry. And get with the backpack. She's dry. You know what I mean? These are all the guns and shit. I'm trying to mess with them. They made it rain over there. The guy over there with a gun. He ain't trying to mess around. No, this guy, Naruto looking guy. The mission is to come out of here dry. You can get drive-by shot with one of these. I ain't trying to get drive-by shot, you feel me? Yeah, ride with me. Tuck in. that door close slowly. Yeah, just like that. Just like that. Let's watch them walk by. Hopefully the door don't open.
Yeah.
That guy's gonna get wet up, that guy in the grey top. He doesn't even know it. He doesn't even know it. Oh. She allowed him. She allowed the friendliest ice cream lady. She's the friendliest ice cream lady. Nice. Want to say hello? You always live in Thailand. I see. From young you grow up. Very nice. She's the. I call her Super Mango. Her name Super Mango. Next time she remember me. I say, oh, you remember me? I come Super Mango. This is her. This is who she is, Super Mango, and that's why I always get Super Mango. Finally made it. I escaped from all the madness. I'm staying dry. Let's get out all this commotion. Let's get back to the hotel. Let's sit
It's
in.
about to open the window, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. Who? That guy?
Yeah, I thought, not the window, the door.
Oh no, let me lock the door then. Cause these people out here wilding. Right here wilding. It's just spread commotion everywhere. You know Vin Diesel?
No, Vin Diesel.
Yeah, like Vin Diesel. This one. Can't go fast. Can't go fast.
Bad.
Yeah. Very nice.